Hey YouTube, Testarossa 101 coming back at you one more again. Was messing around with my water changes and using just a single container to make my RO and then to mix my salt water, and having to go through all of that, I came up with a different design and went out and bought a 58-gallon rain barrel basically. So give me a sec, I'll show you what the plans look like and then I'll show you what we get. Alright, ultimately the plan is going to be to have the 50-gallon jug with a shutoff valve here and a shutoff valve here going into an external pump going up into the rain barrel. That'll be where I mix the salt water, and it will of course have a return going back to the feed of the pump so that I can have a constant flow of water helping to mix the salt solution with this one closed. That plan was that's the, I guess, the finished version of what I want, but what I've got so far, since I don't have an external pump, is this design. Of course, there's the 50-gallon sitting on the cinder blocks the way I've got it in the kitchen, in the laundry area. And I got where I can drain off 5 gallons into a 5-gallon bucket for RO water. But a pump will go inside here. The water will be pushed up and pushed into the 56-gallon rain barrel. Only thing is that I'll have to take that pump out of here and put it in here to mix the salt solution. Not a real big problem, because I've been mixing everything in this anyway. So it'll give me a chance to keep this clean with nothing but RO water, and this one will be nothing but salt water. And I can tee that off, or just put a valve on the pump. Actually, it's a two-way valve, and I can turn one side on, turn one side off, and that way I can just pump water into a hose out to the tank. But that's the plan. That's what I've got now, and I've started cutting the PVC to plumb it. So hang on a sec. Alright, there is the 50-gallon. Had to turn it around actually, so all my water depth marks for like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that's on the back side of it now. Like, I really need to see what those numbers are. Oh well. Anyway, there's my spigot coming off the side for my RO water when I need to have the RO water, and there is the rain barrel. Now, when I bought this joker, it was filthy. It was filthy, but it's marked food safe, and what was stored in it was olives. And trust me, you open that thing up, you're gonna smell olives. So I've been spending the last couple of days, well, yesterday actually, and a little bit of today, filling it with water and bleach and letting it sit. So let me get this thing plumbed, and I'll show you what the design looks like for the water change station. Alright, here we go. This is it. There's a pump in the bottom of this one right here. Water comes up, comes over, goes in to the 56-gallon, and that's where I'll be mixing the salt water. This one will be kept clean for nothing but RO water until I can implement the plan with the external pump. But that's the water station for now. When I get the opportunity to do some improvements, when I get the other pump, etc., and get it plumbed, I'll get back to you guys and let you see how that came out. Testarossa 101 with the water changing station, signing out.